This year we're celebrating 70 years of mermaid magic.
We're at Weeki Wachee Spring today. This is a first magnitude spring here in Hernando County. I'm Dave DeWitt. I'm a chief professional geologist in the district's data collection bureau. Springs really represent what's going on underground in our aquifer. It's really important to monitor the water quality.
Which is why the Southwest Florida Water Management District installed a permanent water sampling tube more than 100 feet deep in the spring nearly a decade ago.
This is our sampling tube that we're going to be installing in the spring today.
Now it's time to replace the old sampling tube with a new one.
We contract with professional cave divers to conduct the deep water sampling tube replacement. It's probably about a 2-hour job for them in the water. It's pretty technical work, and right now the spring is flowing vigorously because of all the heavy rainfall we've had. When our water quality technicians come out here, this is where the end of the sampling tube is. They hook another tube onto that and they hook a pump up to it and they collect the sample that way. It allows us to collect consistent water sample right in the same position every time.
I think it's absolutely wonderful what the Water Management District is doing here at the park. And my name is John Nathanason, and I'm the Marketing and Public Relations Manager here at Weeki Wachee Springs State Park, home of the world-famous mermaids. Well, we have such a great relationship with the Southwest Florida Water Management District, and the fact that they're monitoring the water quality of the spring is so vital to not only the success of the park, but also to the health of this beautiful natural resource that we have here. And of course, without this beautiful natural resource, the mermaids don't exist.
The importance of long-term data collection can't be overemphasized. We need to know what's going on with our water resources here in the district. Not only the amount of water or the quantity of water, but the quality. It's very important. It's important for our natural resources and important for our coastal rivers.
And for Dave DeWitt, these are truly some of the best days of his career.
I've been at the district for 31 years now. Probably the best part of my job, being able to go out and monitor our springs and keep track of what's going on. And also, they're just amazing natural resources here that we have in Florida.